biggest challenge is balancing all of the accounts to ensure that we've got value for money.
Yeah.
Because it's really cold in the morning here, hence the trees.
Yeah.
We find we have to put the air on, 6:30 in the morning when the girls arrive, ready for a 7 o'clock open. That way it's warm for the children.
Yeah.
Otherwise you've just got runny noses all day. When things weren't happening as we were told they were happening, I made a call, and then within sort of an hour to 2 hours you were here, you solved the problem, and before we knew it we were back up and running and everything was working really well.
Yeah.
And we were actually seeing electricity being made with the app on our phone.
Right.
It was right there in front of us, and I mean I really like the app because I can check it out at any time. It doesn't matter where I am. The good thing about the screen out the front is it starts the conversation.
Oh, it does.
And once the conversation started, you'd be amazed at how many children come back to say, oh, I now know about, and I found out, and we've got them on our house.
And they just think it's amazing that we're able to monitor it and that we're actually producing electricity and putting it back into the grid. So.
Yes, I really like your colour grid. That's great.
Yeah.
It makes it very obvious.
It does,
but the kids can talk about the colours.
Yes.
Red, and we're using something we have to buy.
Yeah.
Whereas when it's green, we're using something we've made ourselves.
Yeah, definitely.
You can play games with the screen at the front. By turning the kettle on and off and turning the vacuum cleaner on and off. But they see that, and that's reality. That sticks in their mind.
Yeah.
In years to come when they're vacuuming their floor, they'll go, oh yeah, I remember at kindy I had, this uses a lot of power. I remember that big spike. Wasn't it interesting when you were asking questions when you did the presentation? They knew that the solar panel was going to work.
Yes.
To make electricity, and that saves money.
Yeah.
And I thought, wow, especially
They get it,
Benjamin
right?
and Hunter,
They
do get it.
Yeah.
They do get it. Not long ago, we were fronted with an electricity bill that was $2,433 for the quarter. So we investigated. We called Energy Partners, and we had the panels put onto our roof. We then saw our electricity bill drop down to $1,270. That was astonishing. We were absolutely amazed. So it was perfect. We started to talk to the children about what we were doing and why the solar panels were up on the roof and how they were helping us pay our bills. So then Energy Partners came up with the bright idea of putting boosters onto our solar panels, and that made a huge difference again. I have just opened an email and our current electricity bill was $291.46. So that is a massive difference. So all in all, I highly recommend Energy Partners, and yes, if you're running a childcare centre, definitely put solar on the roof. It means that you can run absolutely everything and not have to worry about your power bill.